students. Hello everyone. Hope you are enjoying my videos. In the last two videos on Introduction to Trigonometry, we learnt about trigonometric ratios. We learnt how trigonometric ratios are used to show relation between sides of a right angle triangle. In this video, Introduction to Trigonometry Part 3, we are going to find the values of trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 using finger trick. Let us see what is finger trick and how it is used to find the values of trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. In finger trick, we use clockwise direction for sine and anti-clockwise direction for cos. That is, to find the value of sine, we move in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means in the direction of hands of clock, and to find value of cos, we move in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means direction opposite to the direction of hands of clock. Now, students, we mark our fingers as 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. This finger is marked as 0. Next to it is 30 degree. Next one is 45, 60 and 90. Then we find value of sine and cos one by one. First we find value of sine and cos of 0 degree. To find value of sine and cos of 0 degree, hold the finger marked as 0. This finger has been marked as 0. Hold it. Now to find sine 0, we move in clockwise direction of this finger. Since there is no finger in clockwise direction of this 0 degree finger, that is, there is 0 finger, there is no finger. Therefore, in the column of sine of 0 degree, we take 0 and divide it by 4. 4 is here. 4 represents number of fingers left, that is number of fingers besides this 0 degree finger, and we put a square root over it. Now to find value of cos 0 degree, once again hold 0 degree finger and move in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction of this 0 degree finger, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fingers. Therefore, we put here 4 in the column of 0 of cos, and again we divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. Now we will find value of sine and cos of 30 degree. To find value of sine and cos of 30 degree, hold the finger marked as 30 degree. Now move in clockwise direction to find value of sine. Since there is only one finger in the clockwise direction of this 30 degree finger, therefore we take here 1 and again divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. Now to find value of cos 30 degree, hold this finger 30 degree and count the number of fingers in its anti-clockwise direction. Since there are 3 fingers in the anti-clockwise direction of this 30 degree finger, so we take here 3 and divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. In the case of 45 degree, hold this finger 45 degree, marked as 45 degree, and count the number of fingers in its clockwise direction. There are 2 fingers in its clockwise direction. Therefore, we take here 2 in the column of sine of 45 degree, and again we divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. Also, there are 2 fingers in the anti-clockwise direction of this 45 degree finger. Therefore, in the column of cos of 45 degree, we take 2 and divide it by 4 and put again a square root over it. Next one is 60 degree finger. In the clockwise direction of this 60 degree finger, there are 3 fingers. Therefore, for sine of 60 degree, we take here 3 and divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. And for cos 60 degree, there is only 1 finger in anti-clockwise direction of this 60 degree finger. Therefore, we put here 1 and divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. Now last one is 90 degree. To find sine of 90 degree, count number of fingers in clockwise direction. There are 4 fingers in its clockwise direction. Therefore, we take 4 and divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. And value of cos 90, so since there is no finger, there is 0 finger in the anti-clockwise direction of this 90 degree marked finger. Therefore, in the column of cos of 90 degree, we take 0 and divide it by 4 and put a square root over it. Now, do calculation. After calculation, we get value of sine 0 equals to 0, value of sine 30 equals to 1 by 2, value of sine 45 equals to 1 by root 2, value of sine 60, it is root 3 by 2, and value of sine 90, it is 1. Similarly, find the value of cos 0, it is 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2. Dear students, you will keep in your mind that value of sine and cos are equal for theta equals to 45 degree. Now, for 60 degree of cos, we have 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. In this way, we can find value of sine and cos using finger trick. After finding value of sine and cos using finger trick, we can easily find value of tan, cosec, sec and cot. Since tan, it is sine by cos, therefore we will find value of tan 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 using the values of sine and cos. See here, tan 0, it is equal to sine 0 and divided by cos 0, that is 0. Tan 30, sine 30 and divided by cos 30, it gives 1 by root 3. Tan 45, it is sine 45 by cos 45. We get its value equals to 1. Tan 60, it is root 3 by 2 and divided by 1 by 2. That is, we get root 3. And last, tan 90 equals to sine 91 and divided by cos 90 0. And something by 0, it is not defined. Therefore, we can say value of tan 90 is not defined. Now, we find value of cosec. So, since we know that cosec is reciprocal of sine and already we have got the value of sine. Therefore, find their reciprocals. We will get value of cosec. Cosec 0, it is reciprocal of sine 0. Reciprocal of sine 0, that is 1 by 0 and it is not defined. cosec 30, it is reciprocal of sine 30. And reciprocal of sine 30, it is 2. Cosec 45, it is reciprocal of sine 45. And reciprocal of sine 45 is root 2. Cosec 60. Cosec 60, it is reciprocal of sine 60. And reciprocal of sine 60, it is 2 by root 3. And cosec 90, it is reciprocal of sine 90. And reciprocal of sine 90 is 1. In this way, we get the value of cos. Again, we find value of sec. Since sec, it is reciprocal of cos. And we have got value of cos. Now find their reciprocal, we will get value of sec. Sec 0, it is reciprocal of cos 0, and reciprocal of cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 is 1. Sec 30, it is reciprocal of cos 30, that is, it is 2 by root 3. Sec 45, it is reciprocal of cos 45, that is root 2. Sec 60, it is reciprocal of cos 60, that is reciprocal of 1 by 2, we get 2. And sec 90, it is reciprocal of cos 90. And reciprocal of cos 90 is 1 by 0, that is not defined. In this way, we get the values of sec of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And at the last, we find cot. And since cot is reciprocal of tan, and we have got tan, value of tan. Now find their reciprocal. On finding their reciprocal, we get cot 0, that is reciprocal of tan 0, means not defined. Cot 30, it is reciprocal of tan 30, that is root 3. Cot 45, it is reciprocal of tan 45, that is we get 1. Cot 60, it is reciprocal of tan 60. So we get its value 1 by root 3. And at the last, cot 90, and cot 90 is reciprocal of tan 90. And reciprocal of tan 90 is 1 by not defined, and 1 by not defined is 0. Therefore, we get value of cot 90 equals to 0. In this way, students, we find values of trigonometric ratios using finger trick. Hope you must have understood this finger trick to find values of trigonometric ratios of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. In the next video, we will again meet with a new topic. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you. Thank you.